In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fallout 4 Survival Mode. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable Survival Mode for Fallout 4, and I'm gonna list the key points and the key changes in this difficulty. So, Survival Mode in Fallout 4 introduces a significant challenge by removing many of the conveniences found in the normal game. So, like I mentioned, I'm gonna give you a breakdown. For you to actually enable survival mode, you just have to pause the game at any point, go over to the settings, and if you tab through all of the difficulty settings, you will be able to find survival. There will be a warning before you actually proceed where the game tells you about the significant changes to combat and other aspects. So just make sure that you select survival from the difficulty list and you can go over to help if you are curious. Once the mode is set to survival, the key changes are going to be first, no quick saves. So every death is going to be permanent. There will be no fast travel. You will have to walk or ride to locations. Every enemy will deal significantly more damage to you, the player. You will need to eat and drink regularly to survive. Exposure to radiation can harm you as usual, but this time it will be even more, and lack of sleep can negatively affect your character. Finally, you will also contract diseases from contaminated food or drinks. Now, for survival, while there is no quick saving, you will be able to save frequently at safe points like settlements or before entering dangerous areas, so always try to save whenever you get the opportunity to do so. Because like I mentioned, quick saves and manual saves are disabled. You should get comfortable with safe routes to traverse the world. Because fast travel is disabled, you will have to walk everywhere, so make sure that you know the best routes possible and try to prioritize food and water. Always carry supplies and you will be able to get through survival difficulty. I'm not going to go too in depth about more tips, so I recommend that you do your own research or try it out if you want to see how hard this can actually be. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fallout 4 survival mode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.